Good morning. 8:30. Kamas sa Kamasunon. Walking to Tihan Falls. We're gonna find it. We don't know where it is, but
welcome to Molerans Trail.
This will be about 2 hours walk. Saka unon. Banat. Kaginod na. Mo pagay pagsugod ha. Aginod na lagi. Climb up the mountain. Kamang. Kamang na. Kamamo na. Ala, ligid-ligid na. Tagam. One hour and a half later. Gutom na. Skyflakes. Okay, kusla na. Pauwi na kami, guys. Kay Tihan Falls was a bust. No water on the falls. All we've seen was a crack on the ground.